made it to Hobby Lobby to check out the 75% off sale. Let's see what we find. Hey guys, I wanted to show you, it's the next day, sorry, but I wanted to show you what I got yesterday, literally $10 later. I only went for this because I saw it at a few influencers post Instagram stories, and this was $4.99. It's like a book holder or a recipe book or whatever you want to use it for. But basically it was 20 bucks and it was reduced to $4.99. I also got this, super cute, because I think for summer I'm going to be decorating for lemons. But if I don't end up decorating with lemons, which I'm pretty sure I am, this was $5.99 from the spring collection and it was half off, and I just think it's so pretty. And then my mom got me this. This was 50 bucks, but it was half off. So yeah, the only thing I wish this was black, and I don't know if there's any way I could take it out or whatever, but it does work. Like you can put anything on top of that and that's gonna move or mesh or whatever, and or weight, whatever you want. But and then Mio just wanted these little coin chocolate things. But yeah guys, that's all I got yesterday. I just wanted to show you my little mini haul because I am going to be decorating right now for I am going to be decorating my kitchen because I feel like my kitchen corner, the one that I always decorate, is getting like on my nerves already. I'm so over it. So I'm going to be putting this over there. And yeah guys, just wanted to show you that. I will be decorating soon and then I'll show you.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid.
wrist, still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible